Explore some of the top supplements and vitamins that can significantly impact your health. First on the list is vitamin D. This vital nutrient is essential for bone health, as it helps the body absorb calcium. With age, our skin becomes less efficient at synthesizing vitamin D from sunlight, making supplementation necessary. Adequate vitamin D levels can also support immune function and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Next up is vitamin B12, which is crucial for nerve function and the production of red blood cells. As we age, our ability to absorb B12 from food decreases, leading to potential deficiencies. Supplementing with B12 can help improve energy levels, enhance mood, and support cognitive function, making it a must-have for those over 50. Calcium is another essential nutrient that supports bone density and helps prevent osteoporosis. Maintaining solid bones becomes increasingly vital as we age, and calcium supplementation can be a critical factor in achieving that goal. Additionally, omega-3 fatty acids deserve special mention. These healthy fats are known for their heart and brain health benefits. Omega-3s can help reduce inflammation, lower blood pressure, and support cognitive function, making them an excellent choice for older adults looking to enhance their overall health. While these supplements can provide significant benefits, consulting with healthcare providers is crucial before starting any new regimen. They can help assess your needs, recommend appropriate dosages, and ensure that your supplements won't interact with existing medications. By taking a thoughtful approach to supplementation, you can better support your health and well-being as you age. Supplements to avoid after 50. As we navigate the world of vitamins and supplements, it's just as important to know what to avoid as it is to know what to embrace. Certain supplements can pose risks or may be unnecessary for individuals over 50. Look closely at some of these supplements and why they should be approached cautiously. One of the primary concerns is excessive iron intake. While iron is essential for transporting oxygen in the blood, many adults over 50, especially women who have gone through menopause, may not need additional iron. Too much iron can lead to serious health issues, including liver damage and an increased risk of heart disease. Assessing your dietary iron intake and consulting with a healthcare provider before considering iron supplements is crucial. Another supplement to be wary of is vitamin A. While this vitamin is vital for vision and immune function, excessive intake can lead to toxicity, particularly in older adults. High levels of vitamin A can cause various health problems, including liver damage and bone thinning. It's best to obtain vitamin A from whole food sources like carrots and leafy greens, rather than relying on supplements. Herbal supplements also warrant caution. For instance, kava, often used for its calming effects, has been linked to severe liver damage. Similarly, St. John's wort, commonly used for mood enhancement, can interact negatively with various medications, including antidepressants and birth control pills. These interactions can lead to serious side effects, making it essential to approach herbal supplements with care. Ultimately,